what's up? That's New Rose by the group The Damned. Originally, it was by them. I noticed when I was preparing this lesson that Eagles of Death Metal covered this song quite a bit. But I'm doing the Damned version. What I mean by power chords, let's start here on the first chord of the song, which is D. We're at the 5th fret and the 7th fret. All right, 5th fret is on the A string with our index finger. And then the 7th fret is played on, you can play the D and the G. That's the chord. Now, if you can, get the B string in there. But only on these when the root is on the 5th string. But you'll notice most of the chords in this are played on the 5th string root. Oh, it's only in the introduction that we play bar chords on the 6th string root. All right. So the introduction goes D, and we're going to use the same basic shape for every chord in the song. So I'm not going to repeat it, but basically you hold down 1 on the lower string, and then you skip a string, skip a fret, and then you hold down 2 or 3 on the next fret. All right. Some people do it this way. That's fine, but then you can't get that extra G in there. Because another way to play it would be to play you could just play it like this. You don't need to have the root in there. All right. Next chord is at the 7th and 9th frets on the 6th string root. And then we go down to the 7th and 9th on the 5th string root. That's an E chord. By the way, the other one was a B. And then we finish up with the A. So altogether it's. I think on the B, it goes T, B, B, B. And then we go into the verse. Okay, so we're still using the same bar chord shape, except now we're on the 3rd and 5th. It's a 5th string root. It's a C on your 3rd fret. Then you just slide that down. That's just a passing chord, so you don't have to play that. That's optional. But C, A. And you're just playing an A chord on the open position. And if you want to, throw in this walk down B between the C and the A. All right, so that's where he's like, I don't know what the feeling got inside of me. It's like a raging sea. I guess it's just got to be. That's what I would consider the verse. And then it goes up to E. All right, that is just the E power chord at the 7th and 9th. And then we go up to 10 and 12. they're kind of doing is they're stopping a little bit on the, so 7, 9, 10. I'm talking about your index finger. First, your index finger's on 7. So it kind of does a little walk up. But if that's optional. If you're having difficulty playing it, just go E. This is G. And of course, you're doing a palm muting. We're not letting the strings ring out here. We're not doing a heavy palm muting, but we're also not being like, because you're playing so fast, you're kind of muting the strings as you strum. Just gotta practice that and get a feel for it. If it doesn't sound right, you're not doing it right. I think there's one other part to this song. Let me double check. I did notice there, sometimes they even go on this A to G, this E to G. Sometimes when they're kind of doing that longer portion where they're going, they're just sliding into it. They don't do that every time, but just you'll notice they do it sometimes. And then there's a bridge. Okay, there's the only other part in the song is there's a bridge. After like a couple verses, they go from this part, the E to G. They go A. I never thought B, this could happen to me. C sharp. So A is just your opening position, A. Then you go to B on the 2nd fret and the 3rd fret, and the 4th fret, using that same power chord shape. And then C sharp is at the 4th and 6th fret, 4 and 6. Okay, so I never thought this could happen to me. And I think they're playing some riffs in there, that unison bend. Yeah, wow, let's go. Is at the 5th fret, you're using your index finger on the high E, and then you're bending the B string at the 8th fret. Sorry, until it gets to that. Till it kind of approximates the note that you're playing with your index finger. It's pretty quick and. So obviously that's either overdubbed or they have 2 guitars playing. All right, so yeah, that's the whole song. New Rose by the Damned. Original punk band. They were around in that first summer in London when all the punk groups broke. They were one of them, one of the first punk bands. All right, thanks for watching. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.